creators, what you're about to watch is a segment from an interview that I did with the Think Media podcast on how to make your first $1,000 on YouTube. In this segment, I'm going to talk about a method of monetization that I use on certain videos where I essentially make 10 times as much money from this other method than I do from YouTube's partnership program. And so videos that only perform moderately well for me can make a whole bunch of money when I use this monetization method. And you don't need to meet the requirements for the YouTube partnership program. You just have to have the right video ideas that partner up properly with this monetization method. Check it out.
Well, we're going to keep it going with Sean because this third idea, though, this blew my mind. And I think this was back in San Diego when I ran into Sean and he was saying, man, not only am I one of the Video Ranking Academy students, but I'm full-time now. He's like, I got an entertainment channel. I'm like, well, how'd you do it? What was one of the ways that you are generating income? And he told me this story about Audible affiliates. Mm-hmm. Sean, break this down and what exactly happened here?
So the Audible affiliate program, basically anyone that you get to sign up for a free trial of Audible, you get a $15 bonus for doing that. And anyone that signs up for a free trial of Audible gets a free audiobook, which is, once again, an irresistible deal. They pay nothing and they get something for free. And then for me, I get $15. And as for my audience, it's based off my demographics. It's like 15 to 25-year-olds and 90% dudes. And that's not a category of people that typically are known for reading books or listening to audiobooks, but the deal itself is just an irresistible deal. So the It Chapter 2 came out in 2019, this big, gigantic movie based off a Stephen King book. And so then in my coverage of the It movie, my movie review, my ranking of the different movies, I just said, hey, this is based off a Stephen King book. If you want to check out the very long Stephen King book for free, go to audibletrial.com/Sean Chandler, and you can download the audiobook for free by signing up for a free trial. Just put that in there. And the video did solid numbers, did solid for AdSense, but it did 10 times as much for Audible affiliates. And so I was like, okay, well, that's a good lesson learned right there. That's a good little strategy. You think, how many movies come out that are based off books? A ton of them. And whatever niche you're in, whatever you cover, there are books about that subject. If you do how-to stuff, there are books that expand upon whatever you're covering. There's research videos that I do about the history of movies, and whatever book I use, whatever my sources are, hey, if you would like to get this book for free, check out the link down below, audibletrial.com/Sean Chandler. And so that one was a big, gigantic one for me of realizing that's a strategy just to make 10 times as much for certain videos. Then the other thing that happened back to 2020, where I just think smarter about my strategy and not just kind of rely on the easy AdSense side to things for where I was at, was I started thinking tangentially, like, okay, movies aren't coming out, but books still are coming out. And I think Star Wars, you can look behind me, big Star Wars fan, cover Star Wars all the time on my channel. Star Wars books were coming out during the pandemic. So I put out a review of one of the new Star Wars books and put an Audible affiliate in there for this new line of books that they were doing. Once again, video did decent AdSense, 10 times as much from Audible affiliates. And then the one that was just crazy from this last month, The Batman came out, was the biggest movie of last month. And my review for it did crazy good. But they came out with a prequel book called Before the Batman. And so I reviewed the book, posted video with the affiliate link, like, hey, if you want to check it out, links down below, you can get it for free. And this video that actually got like 1/10 the number of views, because it was more niche sort of thing, made just as much money as my big, gigantic hit review of the Batman. And so even something that like does significantly less numbers can make just as much money because it had a better monetization strategy built into it.
Man, you're dropping bombs. And what's so cool about this is just thinking so creatively, thinking outside of the box. And again, yeah, some of your videos, is this the video right here that we're looking at?
So that's a different, that's one on canceled movies, where that's one where I used, cited all my sources. And so it was actually an Amazon affiliate one I did for that one. But right before that, you can see right below where you're at, you'll see kind of my
every Batsuit ranked, every Batman villain ranked.
It'll be a couple before that, like a week or two before that.
Okay.
March was the month of Batman ones.
Yeah, right lots of Batman, which is also
there, bottom right.
That's a whole strategy. Batman Forever or
the before the Batman, right there.
Before the Batman book review. Okay. So also that's a whole strategy right there of thinking about themes, thinking about what's happening, when's it happening. You go all in on Batman, but look at this, so creative. You grab this prequel novel, 14,000 views, as you said, which again is not like AdSense wise, that's not going to be significant. But you're saying that what was the way you earn money specifically from this was an affiliate for that particular...
That was Audible affiliate, linking people. Hey, if you're interested in the book, Audible affiliate, you can listen to it for free.
Gotcha. Boom. And so you can see that right here.
Right
Listen,
there.
You can just grab this and you're getting per sign up for the Audible affiliate. You get a commission of $15 or something.
$15 per person that signs up to get a free book.
To get a free book.
Free book, which that's a great deal for them.
Strategy a lot of us could use just because you kind of tie it in. Who doesn't want to listen to, like Christina, you might want to listen to something about your faith, tie it into Batman, something about business, something about health, something about a celebrity, so many different things on Audible. Man, another smash for Sean. Drop it. What do you got?
And it's not disruptive. I think that's the thing that's best about it. You're offering something that to the person that wants it is like, why wouldn't I want a free book? Like, I was interested in the book and you told me how I can get it for free. It's an extra layer of value when you find a great affiliate program that offers something for free, offers a great discount, and you plug it in. People aren't annoyed by it. They don't feel like they need to skip it. They appreciate that you're thinking about how can you serve them on one extra level.
Yes, so amazing.
If you enjoyed that clip, you can check out the full interview at the link down below in the description. Also, if you don't know, I created a full course on how to grow a nerdy YouTube channel. So if you're ready to make an investment in yourself and help your YouTube channel grow, check it out at the link down below in the description to see if maybe it's right for you to help you get to that next level. Thank you so much for watching, and keep talking YouTube too much.